Welcome to Science Center Gulbarga. Burning of magnesium. So it is an oxidation process. Magnesium symbol is Mg and oxygen is there in the atmosphere. And here there is spirit lamp. Let us try to burn a piece of magnesium ribbon. So magnesium is once again a soft metal. So I have just cut it just by twisting it. Let me keep it over the spirit lamp. Let us see whether it is glowing or not. So magnesium glows with the bright flame. You can see here. This I am going to collect on the watch glass. This is actually the magnesium oxide which I am collecting here. So I collected here. So this much is enough. Now to that what I am going to do is I will put little water. So I am going to mix this magnesium oxide which is there here in the water. So when I mix this MgO in H2O, it is going to become magnesium hydroxide, which is a weak base. So let us bring one litmus paper, red litmus paper, because property of the base is that red litmus it has to convert into blue. I am going to put that red litmus here. Maybe one more also I am going to keep here. So let us see what is going to happen. I am going to bring nearer so that you can see the color change slowly, red to blue. It is changing here. You can see because it is a weak base, so that it will take more time for turning into blue. You can see the color change, it has occurred. Now it is in blue color. Thank you.